Hey, what's up, what's up? What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rico, aka RockStarr or RockStarrFX, back here with another video. And today we're going to be answering the big question, which brokers do I use? And before we even get into this video, I want to make it absolutely crystal clear. I don't really like doing videos like this broker-wise or whatever the case may be, which is why I don't do it often. But you guys just keep hounding me and asking me and asking me and asking me. And instead of replying back to every single person as to what brokers do I use when I trade, I'm gonna just do this quick video and show you guys not only what brokers I use, but how they work and also how you can go ahead and start using them if you want to. But I am in no way, shape, or form responsible for your decision of choosing a broker. And if anything happens when you choose any of these brokers, I want to make it crystal clear before I even get into this video, don't hit me up. I'm not their customer support. I am a customer and a user of the broker just like you are. All right, guys, so let's get it.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Rico, aka RockStarr or RockStarrFX here, back with another video. And as I said before, today we're going to be talking about two different brokers that I use and that I kind of recommend to people that tend to work with me. And no, this is not me endorsing the brokers in any way, shape, or form. But if you guys do want to try the brokers out, the links are in the description down below. But like I said before, if you decide to choose one of these brokers, that is completely on to you. Obviously, I use them. I don't have any issue with them. I've never had any issue with them. And that is why I use them. But once again, I am not the broker, so if anything does happen, I am not going to be held responsible for the decisions that you all make with your money. That is completely on you. Now, the goal here is to get through this video within 5 minutes, so I don't want to waste any of your time. We're going to jump straight into it. And for all of you that are participating in the $500 Christmas giveaway, here's a hint. This video will have a clue in it. So jumping right into it, guys, very simple. The first broker that I always recommend to people, if you've been following me for the past few weeks, you already know Pocket Option is that broker for me. Why? Well, there's a few reasons why, and I talk about it in one of my other videos. I do a full-on Pocket Option breakdown. You guys can check that out. I'll put a little picture or whatever on the screen, as well as a card up top, so you can go ahead and click that when you're done watching this. But very simple. I like Pocket Option for multiple reasons. Number one, it's one of the very few brokers. I live in the US. It's one of the very few binary options brokers that you can get access to that honestly, I've grown to trust and like. I've never had any issues with it. And I love the facts that you can actually, number one, you can change your chart layout. You can add your indicators to the screen. You can trade on weekends. But here's the most important one. If you are brand new to trading, you can also open a free demo account. So anytime you open up Pocket Option, right off the bat, it gives you a free demo account that obviously you can utilize to kind of practice with. And you guys know how much I love demo accounts as far as for new people. I always recommend if you're brand new, like stop jumping the gun, stop trying to make a bunch of money, practice on demo first and learn the skill. So you can open up a demo account and you can also fund your account with as little as $50. Now, this is also really cool for new people. Why? Well, with a lot of other brokers, the minimum deposit is hundreds of dollars, $250, $500 plus to get into these binary options brokers. And if we're talking about MetaTrader 4, we already know MetaTrader 4 has a lot of brokers that allow you to start trading on MetaTrader 4 with less than $100. It's not the case with binary. So this is one of those brokers that here in the US, right? It may not be regulated in the US because most binary options brokers aren't. Damn near all of them aren't. And if you want more information on binary options brokers and how they work, check out my last video when I did a breakdown between Forex versus binary options. But almost all the binary options brokers are not regulated in the US. So for the people that hit me up that say, I have to check a box saying that I'm not in the US, so on and so forth, you have to do that with every binary broker because it's just not regulated here, okay? So let's make that crystal clear. You can open up a demo account and the minimum deposit is only $50 if you actually want to start trading with some real money. Now, this is pretty cool because obviously if you live internationally or in a country where, $100, $250 is a lot for you to just throw into a trading account and, practice with or hope for the best, then obviously you can come into Pocket Option, you can practice, you can get your trade on, all right? And you can make some significant gains with Pocket Option. A lot of people have been doing so. And I have a lot of students that are actually with us on our team Next Gen in the academy that we're a part of that love Pocket Option and that have made a lot of money trading with Pocket Option. So that is number one. Now, if you want to get a little bit more advanced and you have the extra money to spare, I would highly recommend going with a broker like Vibe Forex. All right. Now, the reason why I say Vibe Forex is I have been using Vibe Forex for over a year. I have never had any issues with withdrawing, with depositing, with trading, or whatever the case may be. Literally, have never had any issues with Vibe Forex or Race Option, and those are the two brokers that I use the most. Now, one thing that I would say is that obviously to use Vibe Forex and Race Option, you need at least $500 in deposit money to go ahead and start trading on these brokers. But I love the brokers because they offer features like rollover, like double up. On top of that, the withdrawals are within 1 hour, so it's 1 hour withdrawals that you can go ahead and use, and it's a very simple broker to use. Now, I know a lot of people have issues with withdrawing with Vibe Forex. Here's the thing. If you make an account, and you have to understand this, there are terms and there are conditions to withdrawing your money with almost every broker. Do not open up an account with a brokerage account. It's just like a bank account, right? Do not open it up without understanding how it is that you can get access to your money. Most people come into brokers like Vibe Forex, they fund their account, but they also take a bonus. If you choose to take the bonus, which is the extra credit, all right, that you can trade with when you're funding your account, you have to 3 times your turnover, okay? Not your account deposit, not your total balance, not your profit. You have to 3x your account in turnover in order to be able to make your first withdrawal. And when you do make your first withdrawal, no, you cannot withdraw 100% of what your account is. Don't ask me why. I don't really care. It does not affect me. I'm not here to make quick money on trading and withdraw my entire account. I'm here to trade and continue to make money trading. So withdrawing 30-40% at a time, even 50% at a time, should not be a problem as long as you're not trying to flip an account. You put $500 into your account, you flip it to $1,000, and then try to withdraw the $1,000 a week later. Like, that's absolute ludicrous. So if you're that type of person and you're not able to get your withdrawal money, that is exactly why. But other than that, I have not had any issues with any of these brokers at all. So hopefully that answers a lot of the questions that you all have. That's pretty much it. These are the 2 brokers that I've used. Not saying you have to use it, but if you guys do want to go ahead and start to use or even check out what these brokers are looking like, I'll have links in the descriptions down below. Go ahead, just click the link, and it will send you straight to obviously the broker site, and you can make a decision for yourself if you want to try Pocket Option, if you want to try Vibe Forex. Make the account and let me know how it goes. All right, guys. So as always, this is your boy Rico, aka RockStarr. I'm out.
Feel just like a rock star.